Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. This is Carlos Gutierrez, and today we are at Gran Pacifica Development. It's a private golf course, complex right on the beach. Do you like to play golf? Do you like ocean? Do you like privacy? Do you like to live in a house that is quiet and relaxed? Exactly. That's what we're gonna look into today. Is a new listings with great features and highlights that probably is something for you and for your family, and of course, for your friends. Let's go and explore what it comes with it. So, what is this home is about? What it comes with it? This home is called Casa de los Cinco Amigos. It's the 5 friends home, exactly. 5 friends got together and said, you know what, we love golf, we love the ocean, we're passionate about it, we love the privacy and how quiet is this place. So that's one of the reasons they built this beautiful property. It's actually, I call it a castle, and you're gonna see why I call it a castle. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, and extra bedrooms with an extra full bathrooms for the staff. Also comes with a swimming pool area and an indoor garage for 2 cars. And something you're gonna love about this place is how close it's to the ocean, and so easy and immersed, close to 3 holes where you could play all day long. I typically like to go through the main entrance, but this place is so amazing how they create so many details that I wanna come through this beautiful arch with that bougainvillea around it, and all the flowers and plants and the landscaping around the property is definitely, it has a great vibe. Something else that you're gonna notice is the little coconut on the sidewalk. Yes, right on the sidewalk, which gonna accent that tropical sense. But in the meantime, let's go and see first one of my places, one of my favorite spots in a home. Guess where it is? Where you can get a party. Yes, check it out. Look at this, Betty. Right there. You have the party spot. This is where people are coming to enjoy their life when they come to the Pacific. It's also to have a great, cool swimming pool spot like this one. And you can tell immediately how the Spanish influence is in every single corner. This place has all these traditional columns, and of course, you have an extra bathroom here and an extra shower. Look at the tiles. This is when you know you have that Spanish taste with these domes, outside shower, ready, and then just jump into the pool. And right here, what do we have here? Oh, this is for the equipment of the swimming pool. Outdoor tables, and you have your, your lounge chairs. And I like the features. Look at that, the balcony. It looks like a Juliet balcony. And that's when you know the influence of the architecture style with those pillars like that and that main tower. That's why it reminds me like a huge castle. Right away, coming from the street, open those gates and you can feel this grand space, enough to entertain and host in a great barbecue party into the swimming pool. Now, this is one of the the only outdoor kitchen we have, which is good enough. You can tell the counter, your extra fridge, and the rest of the space dedicated for your table area and your sofa set where you sit in and drink a little bit and just enjoy life. This is where we have the half bathroom, perfect located. Look at this. Everything's just to feel that taste of the colonial concept. Anyhow, outdoor here, you can tell the floor is cement, and I love how they mix this rustic line around the swimming pool. Nice curves and an extra little place. Looks like a jacuzzi, you can tell by the jets. It's perfect if you just want to relax and keep swimming a little bit. So now I wanna go into the rooms. We are at the first floor. This home comes with 2 floors. We're gonna go first to the first floor. Yes, first to the first floor, where we have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus an extra living space. Great idea about the sliding doors. Easy to walk through all your spaces. Now, remember, we still are at the first floor. This corridor, it will connect the 2 bedrooms we have here. So this one here is a double bed, AC. That next door, we have also a full bathroom. No teeny tiny little, but enough space and roomy. So now, one of the 2 bedrooms here, again, like I said, is perfect. Everything is set. So you can have easily 4 people here, and it has a door that will connect to the bathroom. So this one also can be used for your guests. You close the door, and if you have a big party, they can come and use the bathroom. So one more thing, remember I told you the house also comes with an indoor parking space for 2 cars. And guess what? The property, it comes with a golf cart that probably is part of the deal, but I'll let you know in the description below. So in the meantime, I want to use this opportunity to show you what it looks like, this huge double indoor parking space, where also you have the extra bedrooms with the bathrooms and the laundry area. So that is a huge plus. So anyway, guys, now let's come to walk through this alley or corridor where you can get lights and breeze if you just open these sliding windows. And also it has a net, so that's good. So anyway, comes here. Look at this. We have this little lobby, like a lobby with those pieces of art, local art. And here I will connect to one of the 3, let's say 2 master suites. This is a huge one. Look at this room. It comes with everything you can see, your TV, windows. It's feel very warm, very tranquil and peaceful. I like that feeling. This area, this Gran Pacifica, is definitely an option. It's a great destination because you have over 2,000 acres of private land right on the beach. If you have the chance to get one of these property, actually walking distance to the ocean, it makes fully sense. And if you have a big family and big number of friends, this is perfect. So anyway, guys, let's go back to the room. Look at the room. Roomy, perfect, not huge, not overwhelmed. It's just perfect the size. It feels cozy. And now, of course, it comes with its own bathroom, which is what? Oh yes, look at this bathroom. If you love those master bathroom size, you're gonna love this one. It's a sweet size. This one has this door where you have your toilet right here. That's actually a cool idea. And then the size of the shower with this decoration, these glasses and this curved line, you have your own seating area, your hanger, an extra window. It's feel roomy. And then this double sink. I never expect to see a double sink bathroom like this one. Your own counter, everything set up. Actually, this is an amazing bathroom. I like the colors, details, and everything you can tell. This is something that your family or your friends or anybody you want, like a very special guest, he's gonna feel special in this room. Plus, it comes with its own walk-in closet just right there. I'm amazed how they thought about everyone can feel special in this place. Especially, thinking this is just one of the bedrooms and it feels like a master suite. And the extra size for the entertain area, like the swimming pool, it's just perfect, and we haven't even finished. Let's go, Betty. Okay, another sliding doors that will connect also with the rest of the center. Actually, guys, this is the first living area that you're gonna find as soon as you open the main door. Something that you're gonna see right away is a cozy space, not huge, which use a good part of the space where you have your TV set, air conditioning, more windows, and a high ceiling with a ceiling fan. Actually, guys, if you have friends or your kids want just to come and enjoy and relax and play some video games, this is a perfect spot. And if the people wants to be outdoor, you know, have a great time at the swimming pool area, is perfect. So you can have a huge party. Some guys gonna be here just to enjoy and relax, and the rest can be entertained outdoor in the outdoor area where you have the barbecue section, you know. But remember, you coming from the street, open that door, and right away you're gonna find this great spot. I like it. And then the sliding doors like this with the double doors, so you have a net. You go and get into the main corridor. That's the one that connects all the first floor, going straight to the stairs. They're gonna take me to other 2 rooms in another area that you're gonna see in a second. So anyhow, check it out. You have enough space, perfect. Everything about the house also, before to forget, is made of solid concrete blocks. Exactly. Everything here was done with the high standard quality for the construction. So let's go and see the rest of the house. Okay, now we connect to the round area. This is where we have that tower that you can see from outside. This is where I call it the castle. And look at the curve of these stairs with more details like this beautiful handrail made of wood and extra metal features like this. And you can feel like in a castle. And look at that details about these center lamps and all the glasses and a round curve like this. And now we get into another very cool feature of the house. This is one of the highlights of this home, I can tell you. Come on and check it out. You see? Now, we are in another spot that you definitely, if you love to cook, this is it. Or just simply come with your family, come with your couple and enjoy in the morning and have your breakfast sitting there and just take a rest. But also you want to host somebody with a good cook area. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. It's a nice combination between a bar and a prep area. Looks like a sushi bar. It looks like a sushi bar. Now I see why they call it the 5 Amigos. I can tell 5 Amigos, you knew what you were doing. This is a very cool shape, you know, counter area. It's not a center island. It's actually more than a center island. This is like, actually look like a bar and a sushi. Everything's so well done. A lot of space. Everything you need just to put all together. And look, a lot of space, a lot of stuff, and I like the shape of this counter. This is perfect with this, you know, elevated glass. That's where you just put your sushi or those beers. And if you want to have a breakfast, just you have this round table connected to the counter. Bring your chairs, done. And look at this chandelier. This is actually really cool. Nothing in this room, in this home, is definitely something you can find outside. Everything done in this place, it was custom made. Yes, exclusive for this home. And this second floor, it has exactly everything you need. Your full kitchen size, everything with the local wood, beautiful done. And again, how they kept the same pattern of the tiles with that Spanish influence. Now, coming back to the living space, look at this huge sofa, center table, high ceiling with these lines, square lines with more light features, and something else that you're gonna see right away. Look at up above on the roof, your own entertainment sound system all over the house. You play the music and you immerse into a great moment. Now, we have 2 sliding doors because you also have another balcony where you can catch the view from the golf course area. Let's go and see it. Okay, now I talked to my friend Ken and he said, Carlos, you cannot walk away, you cannot go away before you see the master suite. And he said, why the master suite? What's going on with the master suite? You have to see it and then you tell me. So let's go together, guys, and explore the master suite. This is the main bedrooms. This is what I'm talking about. This is definitely a main master room. Everything they do in this place is beautiful. Look at how they use the pieces of wood, your headboards, and all the bed is sitting on a nice frame. And the room is huge. We're talking about over 5 meters by another 5 meters easily, maybe 6 meters. That high ceiling, you have your AC and your TV. Looks and it's feel awesome. One of the biggest questions people ask me, Carlos, when you show me a house, I want to know why I should buy that house. I want to know why that is a great investment. When do you know it's a great investment? When do you know it's a great house to consider why I should get in that place? Well, Gran Pacifica is located just 1 hour away from the international airport of Augusto C. Sandino. And all the way, when you drive straight from the airport to here, you can find excellent roads all the time driving a low car. So definitely when you buy a property here, especially if you get this one, you can feel comfortable, go back home, and you can lock the door and nobody gonna mess around with your property, which is important because that keeps your investment secure. Remember, this is a 637 square meter, which is about 6,883 square feet. That includes the parking space, swimming pool area, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms with an extra bedrooms for the staff with a full bathroom size, and definitely a walking distance from the beach. 5 Amigos, clear title, ready to go, and you can call me to this telephone number with WhatsApp, or you can send me an email and you can set up an appointment, come to here and see why this place could be for you. You love to play golf, you love the ocean, and don't forget, we're gonna have this property and all the social media. Thank you, Betty, who's behind the camera and did a great job today taking photos and video to bring to you this new opportunity. And don't forget, I wanna see you at the next adventure.